Am I right, ma'am?
Yes, you're right.
Well, there are 100 reasons no? Getting dressed up today because this is the most memorable day because, again, this is the first ever Marsman National High School co-curricular event. Indeed, the much-awaited social gathering of junior and senior students of our school as they are going to poise for takeoff to the world and magical event evening of music, dance, and memories.
Well, I know everyone is excited. So, what are we waiting for? Welcome to the first ever Marsman National High School Junior Senior Promenade 2025.
Hi, Liana.
Look out as we live on the ambience of our Shirley Mountjoy, even our ever supportive school head. She looks so gorgeous tonight, and with that, we will be hearing some words from her. Please join us in welcoming Dr. Nana Grace Augustus with a resounding round of applause.
Hi. Hello.
To our distinguished guests, allow me to present them and may request each one of them to stand. The school head of Marsman Elementary School, Sir Joselito Gudio. Palakpakan natin si Sir. To the Master Teacher 3 of Marsman Elementary School, Sir Charlie Mislang. Ayan. To the PTA officers, they all look gorgeous tonight. Please stand. PTA officers, Paliog Tindog